Every single day, millions of tons of freshly harvested sugarcane disappear inside enormous factories, and just hours later, they emerge as sparkling white sugar enjoyed by billions of people around the world. Behind every spoonful lies a breathtaking journey powered by gigantic machines, intelligent automation, precision engineering, and incredible industrial technology. Today, we're taking you inside one of the world's most advanced sugar factories to reveal every fascinating step behind this remarkable transformation. Fresh sugarcane is harvested from vast plantations using powerful harvesting machines that cut, clean, and collect thousands of stalks every hour. The harvested sugarcane is quickly transported by heavy trucks to the sugar factory to preserve its natural sweetness. At the factory, every truck is weighed before unloading the sugarcane onto massive conveyor systems. The sugarcane passes through automated cleaning machines that remove dirt, leaves, and unwanted materials. Heavy-duty cutters chop the cane into small pieces, preparing it for juice extraction. Gigantic crushing mills squeeze every drop of sweet juice from the chopped sugarcane. The remaining fiber, known as bagasse, is used as fuel to generate electricity and steam for the factory. The fresh sugar juice is filtered and purified to remove natural impurities while preserving the sugar. Large evaporation systems remove excess water, turning the juice into thick golden syrup. Inside massive vacuum crystallizers, sugar crystals begin forming under carefully controlled conditions. High-speed centrifuge machines separate the white sugar crystals from the remaining syrup. The sugar crystals are dried, cooled, and screened to produce perfectly uniform grains. Automated laboratory systems continuously test purity, moisture, color, and quality to meet international standards. The finished sugar moves to robotic packaging machines that fill, seal, and label thousands of bags every hour. Robotic palletizers organize the packaged sugar onto export pallets with perfect precision. Autonomous forklifts transport the pallets into large warehouses where the sugar is stored before shipment. Finally, trucks, trains, and cargo ships deliver the finished sugar to supermarkets, food manufacturers, restaurants, and homes around the world. Through advanced engineering, intelligent automation, strict quality control, and efficient manufacturing, ordinary sugarcane is transformed into one of the world's most essential food ingredients. The next time you stir sugar into your tea or coffee, remember the extraordinary journey that turned a simple sugarcane stalk into the refined white sugar used every day across the globe. Thanks for watching Factory Insider TV. Subscribe for more incredible factory documentaries, and we'll see you in the next factory adventure.